This effector frees a one-way collision platform. Platform means a surface that objects can stand on. So how about one-way collisions? Normally, an object has a collider can be collided with others in many ways, many variations. So one-way collision here means the objects only allow collision in one side of surface, such as top side. Other can go through the objects from bottom side to the top, but in the converse direction. It says collision, so other can pass through. Let's apply this effector on the object here. Now we will take the port collider 2D and platform effector 2D. The warning here informs us to enable the U-by effector in collider. Just turn it on now. Okay. You see there are many attributes for defining these effectors, but honestly, I only understand and share 3 of them to you, half and half. Collider must define the layer that allows to interact with the effectors. You can set on by its default value, everything, or say any specific layer here. Example, I only allow the layer to interact with this part objects. First, I need to create a specific layer for layer object. And then select layer mask for the effector. Surface as is the angle that you want to define a collision surface. Its range is from 0 to 360 degrees, with its default value 180 degrees. The collision includes the top, left, and right side, so flare can go to the port in the bottom side. To only have the top side, we can reduce the angle a few. Let's set it to 170 degrees and try again. Okay, now flare can go through the ports and jump to the top side. Can you imagine its behavior when the angle is 0 and 360 degrees? At 0 degrees, there is no collision at all, so flare can pass through it and also not have top side in port for it to stand on. At 360 degrees, the port is surrounded by full collision. Flare can go through it, but it can zoom and stand on the top side of ports. To be easier for understanding, let's apply this to the more complex sets. One object has a collision set, and the other has a set that is connected by 2 ports. Let's try interacting with the objects without using one-way looping. For the middle object, it can jump on the top, but still collide with the right side, although the surface arc is less than 180 degrees aloft. For the right object, it can zoom on both 2 ports. If we apply one-way looping and run again, what happens? Now the middle object don't collide with right side anymore, and still be able to jump on the top. And the right objects right now can only jump on the more higher parts. This effector defines the force from a source object to a target object when the target star collides the area of source. With a positive value in force magnitude, the target will be pushed away from source, and vice versa, it will be attracted to source if the value is negative. Let's relate an attraction force. First, attach the collider to this point and increase the collision area by radius. Next, add party feathers. And set a negative number in magnitude. If you want randomness in magnitude, a value in variation in unit. Example with 10 in there. The force can be from 100 to 110. Then I set the point of source and target a collider. When flare enters the collision area, it starts auto moving around the source point. But maybe you feel weight because flare keeps oscillating. Okay, let's set some more red here, and you will see the message soon. Okay. How about the push force? Only change the magnitude into the positive number. Now, the layer is rolled away when coming to result. This simulates fluid behavior such as blotting, breaking, flow of fluid. With the default value here, let's run. Flare object is blotting on the center point of fluid. To make it blotting on top, you can edit value in surface level. Okay, let's try. The flow of fluid can go from left to right or right to left by setting flow angle. I will set a flow to right. Okay, now it's floating as I want. To make the fluid more active with big wave, just increase the density. This causes a conveyor belt. Let's run with the property here. Flare objects is conveyed to the right because of positive number in speed. To move faster in the converse direction, just modify this value a bit. You can task force here can score the object rotate while moving. But if the speed is too small, you will see no difference. Let's increase more. Okay, to make the surface more pulsing, we can assign a material to the collider. And ensure U-Boss chessboard is selected. Okay. This defines an area with applied force on target objects in a specific direction. Do you think it's the same surface effect 2D or not? I can say some are yes and some are no. Area effect 2D can convey the targets to the right and left, but more than that it can go upward, downward or any angle. It is only an area, so a route below is faster you need if you want the target to move on surface. Let's create two areas, one from left to right with angle E0. And one from left to upward with angle E90. Or you see with default value magnitude, the target can go upward, because I think the first not enough to push this on. To show this, try add more value in there. Okay, it worked now. To make it more progress, you can add a little value in rest. Because currently the target seems to be rolled away after moving only a half hit of the various to objects. Oh, now it's better, right?